What does it mean by Narayana? Antar bahishcha tat sarvam vyapya Narayana sthitaha. Narayana means who is able to dwell in every object and who will be able to spread all over the objects and protect these objects, all the universe, not one or two. He is in every atom and he is above the universe, and thus he is protecting all these things. That is what we call as God. If you want to say that he is in and above of everything, the name you can give in Sanskrit is Narayana. Narayana. Ayana is support. Nara is all these objects which never be perished in total. We think that something will go away, but nothing goes in this world. Everything will be intact. All elements are always there. But the forms may be changed, names may be changed, purposes may be changed. Right? Like if there is a clay ball, when you make parts, this clay is transformed as parts, or glasses, or jars, or plates, like that. And when the plates, jars and jugs are broken to pieces, again they turn as the mud, soil, and again the clay. But whatever the clay particles, they won't be consumed in total. Do you know that? We think, oh, these things are disappeared here. Nothing will disappear from the earth. For your information, neither earthly particles nor water. Sometimes we say, no, water is totally dried here. What is gone? No single drop of the water goes out of the earth. Do you know that? No single drop goes out. If it is not here, it may be here. If it is not here, it may be here. If it is not here, it might be here. But leaving the earth, it never goes anywhere. Same dust particles. No single dust particle from this earth goes anywhere to the other planets. No other planets' dust particles also come onto this. But from one place to the other place, right? Once there were hills, and hills were broken, houses were constructed, and houses were broken, and again formed heaps, and then became mountains, So turns from one shape to the other shape, names are changed, forms are changed, purposes are also changed when the shape is changed. But everything will be there. To say that the word is used Nara, and Ayana is the support. So he is supporter of all these things, Narayana. How? In two ways. Being inside supports, being outside also he supports. That's a typical thing. Because in the world, whichever is outside never be inside. Whichever inside won't be outside also. Right? For car, when you see, the driver and engine are inside. So the car goes. But for the water, when you kept it in a bottle, the external part of the bottle is a support. It's not in the water. So if you want to keep the bottle in the water, the inner water won't be there. If you bring the engine outside the vehicle may not move also. So few things are in and support. Few things are out and support. But God is not like that. He is so peculiar. He keeps himself in and out of everything and thus supports. So his name became Narayana.